Hi, I am Daniela Cortez and I'm from 11th A. This is math project and we had to use our knowledge about differential calculus to solve a real life problem, and here it comes the resolution of my problem. Okay, then my problem is number 6, so this is basically the model to understand better the situation of the problem. So we've got an 8-foot fence and it is far away from a building from a 4 feet distance, and the height of the building is meaningless, and we have to find the length of the shortest ladder that comes from the ground to one point of the building. So going through a diagram to understand better the situation. This is the length of the ladder that we have to find, and we will name it H. And this side of the triangle that we don't know, we will call it Y, and this X. So here is the fence, 8 feet, and this is the distance from the fence to the building, that is 4 feet. So as you can see in the triangle, this is a right triangle, so we're going to use Pythagoras theorem to build the function. So h to the power of 2, and okay, you get this. So we have to find an equation that relates both variables. So we use similar triangles. This side is similar to this side, and this side is similar to this one. So we got this, and after isolating y, we got this one. So when we got this thing, we will change it into the principal function. Now we have replaced the expression that we got in the past step in the principal function, and okay, we solve it, and this is the expression that we're going to minimize or to differentiate to solve the problem. So we have to find the derivative of this and equal it to 0. After doing all the process of the derivation and the differentiation of the expression, we got this expression. Look that we equal it finally to 0. So we to get that 0, we can't divide something in 0. So we have to find the value of x in this expression, in the numerator of the expression, and replace it, evaluate it in the principal function, so that we can solve the problem and find the hypotenuse and the shortest length of the ladder. Now that we have the expression that we have to equal to 0, after doing a whole process, we find out that there are two values for x in the expression. So the first gets like this, and the answer is this. Therefore is negative. It is a maximum, so it doesn't works for us for the problem. And the other result is this one, and when we solve it, we got this one. So as this is positive, this is the minimum, and this is the minimum. We are going to replace in the original equation of the hypotenuse, and when we replace it in the expression and we solve it, after all, we got 16.64, and that is the answer of our problem.